Hello everyone, this is MA Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to use a mailing functionality in Microsoft Office Word, combining the Word document with some Excel files. We will do is just to have a mailing or just letters for our relatives or just for uh, some set of groups. So to send the mail, we need to customize the letter with their name, their address, and uh, other specific information. So to have such a mailing, we will use Word in combined with the lists in Excel. I will start from the new blank document from Word. In this video, we will use the mailing functionality to prepare letters with some customized informations. So, which means just maybe the letter contains their date of birth, their maybe first name, last name, or other some customized informations. But we want to prepare the letters for bunch of pupils, maybe for 50, 60, or something, maybe 100 pupils. So it is not necessary to write their first name, their last name, or their date of birth in each of the letters, but we can use the mailing functionality to combine the letter with some kind of the recipient lists in the Excel file. So I will show this one in step by step in this video. We will start from the mailing. Click on the mailing tab here. In the mailing, we have different functionality. So we will start just mailing. Now I will start the mail merge. Click on the mail merge. In the mail merge, we have different functionalities. So the easiest way is to use just a step-by-step mail merge wizard. So I will click this step-by-step mail merge wizard. This opens a new tab here. So this is the first step. Now, as the first step, as we see here, it is just to select the type of document that I am going to prepare in this video. I will select the letters, the first one. Then on the letters, click on the next to start the document. On the second step, it says just select the document type, the document itself. So use the current document. If I have something written, I can use the current document, or just I can start from some template, or it's possible to start from some existing document. If I have some existing document or letters, I can open them. But now I don't have the existing letter. I will start from template. And when I click on the start from template, I see start from template. I see some new tab to select the template. Now click on this one and select template. It opens a new box. So from this select template box, click on the letters, and there are say maybe 9 or something templates. So choose the one that you prefer and click on OK. Now I have the letter. I add the document. So this is already I did this step. It has some recipient address. Here you put your address. Then this is the address for your address. Then here you can replace this one with logo. You can insert some logo. I will insert the logo here. Okay, MA Tech Tips logo. Okay, now okay, I insert the logo. Then click here. It says click here to select the date on the template by itself. I click on this one. Then I click the today's date, November 21st, 2023. I select the date. Then here it says the recipient name. Now if I have multiple recipients, if only I have one recipient, I can directly write his name, his address, and stuff. But I have multiple recipients, so I will say here select recipients. The next step now is to select the recipient. Click on the select recipients. For the recipient, we have we can use an existing list or select from some Outlook contacts, or just it is we can type the new list for this one. But I have some existing list here. I have list of recipients with their first name, last name, their address, their email, their date of birth. So I have multiple entries here, maybe 40 something recipients. So I will select this one. I will connect the Word file with this recipient. So here, select the recipients. I will say use an existing list and select the list that I show you now, which is just the address list, desktop. I will have this on the address list. Okay, select. Now this is, it says just did only sheet one. So let's check this one. Only I have only one sheet, just sheet one. So I will click on OK. Here I will click on OK. Now it just show me the lists with their first name, last name, address, email address, and the date of birth. This is just the lists that I show you in the Excel. Now, in this case, we can sort the data, can sort the range by name or by date of birth, by address or something. We can filter some of the data. If we don't want to send to all the recipients, we can select half of them or just some of them by. So it has some functionality of filtering. We can just duplicate some of the data and do, and we can just find some recipients, and after finding them, just we can validate, we can update some of them, and we can validate the address for each of them. So it has many functionalities here, but I want to send just for all of them for this example. So I will say click on OK here. Now already I add the recipient list. Now it says just write your letter. Already I will take this one as example. Now from this, here is just the recipient's name. Select this one, remove this one, and add the recipients. Here, insert the merge find. Already I add recipients. When I click here, it shows me the headers for the columns. From the Excel file, we have the headers, first name, last name, address, email, and date of birth. And in this case, on the Word, when I click on the insert merge field, it shows the headers. So I will put the first name. This is just a placeholder. I will put space and the last name. Okay. Then here is the recipient's address. I will remove this one and click on the insert merge field, select the address. It will it inserts the address for the address field holder. Dear, so dear, I can put here their first name, dear, then the first name. Click on this one and put only the first name. We can add their other informations or some contents. Maybe we can add from the existing data their family names or their address, their date of birth, their other information. From the click on the preview results. In the preview, now as you see here, this is the John Smith with his address, which means just this is the first entry from the text or from the Excel. Now when I can use these arrows to see what it looks for the second one, it's already customized the email with, customize the letter with the second entry, Emily Johnson, his respective address and the other stuff. You can say click on the next one, the third one, the fourth one. So then after this one, this is just a later. I will add with regardless of the with regardless and the name. Now the title is not necessary. I will remove the title. Okay, this is all about the letter. So the last step is just finish here, finish and merge. Click on this one. Now I can say edit individual documents. If I say edit individual document gives the Word document, I will have the bunch of Word document for each of them. So we can edit later further, or we can just directly print the document, or we can send with email. If I want to send with them, then it immediately selects the email address. So you can from the previous I have the first name, last name, address, email, and date of birth. So it immediately email. Then I can write type of the email. Then I can send with email. But in this case, I will say just print the document and I will print the letters. Print here. You can print all of them. So I will just that's possible. I will say okay. In the print document, you can directly select your printer and print the letters. But I will just for this video, I will print them with PDF. Select the Microsoft print document. In the PDF, it's just one copy, all of the documents. Now, I will say these are the letters. Letters, then set. Now the printing body, this document is just printed. Okay, now all the document is now printed. Let's check. Add this one, the document. Okay. Now here I have the latest document. We see here now they have 40 different letters, just for all of the 40 of them. As you see, this is the first one from Johnson. Then you can check the second letter from Emily Johnson. This is just for the David Miller. Then all the documents for the 40 of them. Already I have all the letters. I can print them and send it for them. Thank you very much. This is all about the video. Thank you. If you like the video, just give thumbs up or the video. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. You will get, if you click on the bell icon, you will get a notification for the new videos